Lion, second largest cat in the world, is one of the most recognized animals. It has been extensively depicted in sculpture, painting, rhymes, stories, movies, and national flags. Right from my childhood, I'm so fascinated with big cats. I visited National Park many times in search of lion, but always my search ended in smoke. Lion has been kept in menageries since the time of the Roman Empire. Finally, years after I got this opportunity when I visited Gujarat National Park. The same day I had to catch the train to Bhopal, which is why I was making haste. Despite all the hustle bustle, I stuck with lion. Yes, it sounds ultimate. Without further ado, I can claim that if there is a king of jungle, that would be just a lion, an adversary warrior with ultimate strength and power. Analysis says that around 100 years ago, there were likely as many as 2 lakh lions living wild in Africa. In the Pleistocene, the lion ranged throughout Eurasia, Africa, and North America, but today it has been reduced to fragmented population in sub-Saharan Africa and one critically engaged population in western India. Asiatic lions were observed in 1826 by Australian zoologist John N. Mayer. It has been listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List since 1996 because population of lion in Africa and Asia have declined by about 43% since the early 1990s. The proliferation of lion in Africa spanned most of the central rainforest zone and the Sahara Desert. In 1960s, North Africa termed as non-lion zone, although no exact evidence are available of the decline of lion. Perhaps habitat loss and conflict with human are the greatest cause for concern. In the Republic of the Congo, Zola Cocoa National Park was among the most well-managed protected area in the 1990s. By 2014, the lion population is considered locally extinct. According to the National Union of the Conservation of Nature, every year approximately 600 lions are slaughtered for sport and 64% of those are killed by American trophy hunter. In 2015, IFEW, IUCN and Duke University published their data about lion population. An estimation says around 23,000 to 39,000 lions are left in the world. The proposed numbers appear to be highly inaccurate and factually incorrect. Just have a look. Zimbabwe is supposed to have 1,362 lions. A recent survey indicates that only 33 lions remain. Proposed number of lions in Zimbabwe have 2,349, but factually it is far from it. Based on researchers and safari operators, it could be estimated that Zambia is loaded with only 400 to 500 lions and abundantly present in the large nationally protected area of Kofu and Logwa. It is difficult to put an exact number of wild lions, but after a long research, we can conclude that there are less than 1,000 wild lions left in all of South Africa. It is sad to say that in West Africa, lions are almost extinct. Only Tanzania, South Africa, Kenya, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Namibia have a countable population of lions. Ethiopia has only 50 wild lions. Uganda and Congo together only have less than 400 lions, and in the other African countries there are no lions. So the total population of wild lions in Africa might be around 5,000 individuals. Evolution and extinction of species is a natural process which we call the balance of nature. But this process is extremely slow. In the last 50 years, we have manipulated our environment a lot. which can have very far-reaching consequences. Water crisis, pollution, natural disaster, global warming, and extinction of species is a warning sign that we should take drastic steps to protect our environment.